The state has formally presented a demand of rupees 37,000 crore to the delegation of the 16th Finance Commission, which is currently visiting the state. Following a meeting with the commission members, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant highlighted that the funds are primarily intended for enhancing the state's tourism, health, agriculture and disaster management sectors. The 16th Finance Commission, led by Dr. Arvind Panagaria as its chairman, was constituted on December 31, 2023. The commission is tasked with making recommendations on crucial financial matters, including the allocation of net tax proceeds between the union and states, grants in aid, and resources for local bodies such as panchayats and municipalities. It is also authorized to review funding arrangements for disaster management initiatives and provide recommendations for necessary adjustments.
आज 16 फाइनेंस कमीशन का डेलीगेशंस यहाँ पे आया है, उनके साथ में हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ। गोवा के पूरे कैबिनेट और ऑफिसर्स इन्होंने मिलकर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 3,600 करोड़ रुपीज़ का डिमांड उनके सामने रखा, स्पेशली फॉर द टूरिज्म, हेल्थ सेक्टर, फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर, WRD और द डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट। इन डिटेल में डिस्कशन और डिटेल में मेमोरेंडम दे आर सबमिटेड फॉर द फाइनेंस कमीशन, सो दैट विल हैपन।
In its discussions, the Goa government has also sought an increase in its share of the divisible tax pool, asking for an increase from the current 0.36% to 1% and requested a broader share from the 41% recommended by the 15th Finance Commission.
What Goa is suggesting is reduced the income distance weight from 45 to 30%. So that is a 15% change, of which Goa has given 12.5% to SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, and another remaining 2.5% to tax and fiscal effort. That is the main difference that the government of Goa has suggested. According to the calculations that the state government has provided, this will raise Goa's share from 0.386% of the overall divisible pool under the 15th Commission to 1.76% of the divisible pool under the 16th Finance Commission. That's practically more than four-fold increase in the share of Goa. State government has asked for a state-specific grant, and that total sum of those projects, the proposed expenditures on those projects, there are about 13 different projects in different areas: tourism, education, health, information technology, climate change, waste management, etc. Total 32,706.45 crore rupees.
Tourism Minister Rohan Khaunte emphasized that the tourism sector, a key contributor to employment in Goa, requires substantial funding. Additionally, the government has put forward demands of rupees 3,000 crore for information technology and rupees 2,000 crore for tourism development.
We cater to almost 10 times the tourists who are utilizing our facilities. Pre-COVID and post-COVID changes for every person who is traveling. ताजेर infrastructure spend वाटता. आमी आता मोडले जाल्यार ते income model सगळं तयार जाता फुडें. ताज्या खातीर capital spend करपाक आमकां support दिवचो. In terms of overall Goa as a creative capital we are talking about, knowledge up करूंक शकता, ताज्या खातीर support करचो अशें IT आनी टुरिजमाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान overall मागिल्लें आसा. Biggest challenge is creating new economic verticals and ensuring employment. Since everything cannot be employment through government, we need to create avenues of employment through infrastructure, new infrastructure build up. So ताज्या खातीर फायनान्स कमिशनान स्टँडर्ड पॉप्युलेशनांतल्यान भायर सोडून पॉप्युलेशन कोण डिसायड करप, ताज्या पेक्षा बाबा हो आमी गोंय कशें आमी विकसीत खऱ्या करपाक सपोर्ट करूंक शकता इन टर्म्स ऑफ गिविंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेरियस फॉर्म्स, आनी नवे वर्टिकल्स बिल्डअप करपाक शकता इन टर्म्स ऑफ इकॉनॉमी आनी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. हाजेर भर घालो जाल्यारूच आमी खरें तर विकसीत जातले. पर हायस्ट पर कॅपिटल इनकम आनी हे पळोवन करतना ताज्या पेक्षा वी हॅव टू लूक एट कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर करून कॅपिटलाक आमकां तितलो हेल्प करूंक शकता आमी. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॅन इनक्रीज वीच कॅन अलाव टू हॅव वॉट the new tourist wants, what the new people want, what the Goans want.
In a related discussion, Minister Babush Monserrat revealed that the state has requested financial aid for disaster management and waste management initiatives, with plans for better resource allocation. Furthermore, Minister Subhash Shirodkar stated that a rupees 600 crore is being sought for the River Navigation Department, as the state boasts 90 kilometers of navigable waterways. An additional rupees 100 crore has been requested for the restoration of heritage sites, and funds have been proposed for the empowerment of persons with disabilities.
This you are asked from your sector.
Chief Minister and other ministers basically have asked on behalf of the state. They have heard the demands of the state, and they said that they will consider it.
So तुमच्या सेक्टरात तुम्ही किती म्हणला स्पेशल
No, you see, as far as they have asked, as far as the disaster management is concerned and the waste management is concerned, funds for that.
any sector like increase है वो कितना देगा?
So, increase total around, we have asked I think around 37,000 crore rupees. That's what we have. So on all around.
रिवर नॅव्हिगेशनात आम्ही एक साधारण 600 crores मानले आसा. वी हॅव अ ह्यूज लेंथ ऑफ 90 kilometers navigable route to decongest the transport, and we are trying to use this. आणि तातूंत भितर आमकां टुरिजम करपाचें, वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स करपाचें, हाचे खातीर आमी हें केल्लें आसा. सो तातूंत भितर 600 crores आनी एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज हाचे खातीर आमी पयशे मारले आसात. 800 स्कूल्स आनी बाकीच्यो गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डिंग्स आसा पळय न्ही, त्यो आमकां एक्सेसिबल करपा जाय, इन्क्लुसिविटी हाडपा जाय, ताजे खातीर केल्लें आसा.
The 16th Finance Commission delegation is expected to review these requests and consider them in its final recommendations. Dylan Rodriguez, Manish Parab and Muzaf Sheikh for Goa 365.